Uh, Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Now, have you ever wondered what it takes to rebuild a legacy? Uh, to take characters we've known for decades and breathe new life into them. Yes, breathe. And Marvel Studios just gave us a glimpse of that future um, at D23. The studio officially confirmed the X-Men movie set to hit theaters May 5th, 2028. Uh, um, this isn't just another superhero film, it's a statement. It's the first step into whatever the Marvel Cinematic Universe becomes next. Directly following the conclusion of the multiverse saga with Avengers Secret Wars in December 2027, uh, um, the reveal was massive with golden X logos filling the arena and the entire cast taking the stage. Um, it's a full reboot, a new generation of mutants stepping into the spotlight almost 20 years after Iron Man launched the MCU as we know it. Leading this new era is Sadie Sink, already making waves as Jean Grey after her debut in Spider-Man Brand New Day. Uh, um, Given Kevin Feige has emphasized the importance of her character, stating um, she'll play a key role in the future of the MCU. Um, Joining her is a talented cast. Samara Weaving as Emma Frost, Kit Connor as Cyclops, and Christopher Abbott as Professor X. Ande Navarrete, known for Superman and Lois, play Rogue alongside Maya Boyd as Storm. Uh, but the biggest surprise, Adam Driver is joining the team as Nathaniel Milbury. For comic fans, that name rings a bell. Milbury is a longtime alias of the villain Mr. Sinister, meaning Marvel just subtly announced their antagonist while pretending not to. Driver has been circling Marvel for years, and now he's finally landed a role, albeit on the other side of the fight. Jake Schreier, fresh off directing Thunderbolts, is at the helm, building a young team and focusing on chemistry through extensive screen tests. This new generation doesn't erase the past. Patrick Stewart and Ian McKellen will return for one last hurrah in Avengers Doomsday this December, giving the old guard a proper send-off. So the stage is set, the cast is assembled, and the future of the X-Men is officially in motion. It's an exciting time for Marvel fans, and we can't wait to see what this new team brings to the big screen. And speaking of teens, why did the mutant break up with the psychic? Because he said that she was too mind controlling. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,